Hi everyone, this is Praveen Dure from Dice University, and in today's video we are going to talk about the best offers to promote on MGID to make money fast. Let's go! Welcome to today's video everybody. The title of today's video is the best offers to promote with MGID to make money fast. So MGID is actually an ad network. It is the place that you go ahead and create the ads for your offer. So now we're talking about choosing the offer, and you might be asking me, hey, we are in MGID. How MGID can actually help us to choose the offer? And that's what we're going to show you today. To do that, first you have to go ahead and log in into the MGID. So once you actually log in into the MGID, this is how the dashboard of MGID looks like. So once you're here, you go ahead and add campaign. I'm going to show you how you can actually use the MGID. So once you are in the ad campaign, you can either name and anything, but what we want to do is we want to go ahead and choose the targeting over here. Let's say you choose a specific geo that you want to target. Why you need to choose a specific geo, guys? Geo targeting is very important when it comes to creating an ad, especially for push notification or any other media buying ads. Why, guys? Because most of the offers which is promoted within the affiliate network are geo targeted offer. What it means by geo targeted offer, which means that that particular offers target only specific country. That particular offer is only valid in specific country. That particular offer can only be promoted to specific country. If, for example, let's say you choose an offer which is geo targeted to Australia, for example, and then you go ahead and promote that particular offer in the United States. So you get a lot of clicks, you get a lot of leads, and all that leads will be scrapped off because you are not complying with the offer which is geo targeted. So that is how important geo targeting is. So since you're going to choose an offer from an affiliate network in a while, we're going to do it, guys, don't worry about that. So we are going to choose an offer from an affiliate network very soon. So we need to know at least a little bit about the geo that we are going to target, right? We don't know the offer yet, but we can actually determine the offer according to the geo. So let's take a geo, for example. Let's go to Europe, and since Italy is very popular now, we go choose Italy. So once you hit Italy over here, you can actually see the potential audience reach actually decrease. So this is actually the amount of impression that you can actually get with Italy. So this is actually the volume that Italy has. So since you actually know the volume, you can go to the traffic insight, another function within the MGID dashboard itself. You hit the traffic insight, it will lead you to this particular page where you can actually go ahead and check out the CPC of certain countries. But MGID is actually very limited. For example, just now we choose Italy, right? But we cannot go ahead and choose the Italy with the MGID dashboard. They have this traffic insight which is update daily. So the thing about this traffic insight is they actually categorize it for three: hot opportunities, best performing, and low competition. So you can actually see the hot opportunities are Mexico, Spain, United Kingdom, and all this. So the best performings are United States, Italy. Italy is good. So you can actually see the average CPC. You can see the daily impression and everything as well. And also you can see where is the low competition. And you can mostly see the low competitions are usually the tier 3 country and tier 2 country, like I told you, because this is where the competition is very low. So once you have actually determined that, now is for you to go to the next step to go ahead and check out the offer. To do that, you need to be going to the affiliate network, and the affiliate network that we are using for the purpose of this video is Mobidia. The reason that we use Mobidia is two. One, Mobidia is a very highly reputable affiliate network. We don't want beginners who just start their affiliate marketing journey ended up with a scam network who does not pay them, who gives them bullshit traffic, and then they end up leaving the industry. I've seen a lot of people doing this. So that's why you need to choose a reputable affiliate network. And then the second reason is the Mobidia has a feature which you can choose, which can help you to go ahead ahead and choose the best offer, which is the offer directory. So if you click on the offer directory, you will be led to this particular page where you can actually see there is a lot of offers right here, guys. And these offers are not just common offers, guys. These are the top converting offers within Mobidia itself. So if you're an experienced affiliate marketer or media buyer, you can go ahead and choose a new offer. You can bring that offer, explore a new market. You can do all this kind of stuff. But if you're a beginner affiliate marketer and you're a beginner media buyer, why you want to do all that? It's actually a very hassle, guys. You need to spend a lot of money. You need to have a lot of research, guys. So you better do something which somebody is already doing. These offers are offers which being done by people who are already been doing this offer for quite some time, and they are making money out of this offer. Not little bit money, guys. They're making a lot of money because these are the top converting offers within Mobidia. So Mobidia has like crazy amount of offers, and these are the selected top converting offers. And over here you can actually go ahead and segregate all these offers, filter all these offers according to categories, subcategories, price model, and all these. But usually I'll only use it for country. So you can hit Italy, for example, and then when you hit apply, you can see all the offers which is running in Italy. And over here you can see what type of price model this offer is for, what type of flow this offer is for. Is it single opt-in, is it credit card summit, double opt-in, and all this kind of stuff. So for example, you can also see the whether it's adult traffic or is it a mainstream traffic and all this kind of stuff. So for example, let's see this one over here, iPhone for double opt-in. So if you like this particular offer and you click on this offer, you can actually find more details regarding this offer. So the payout of this offer is €5.21. So it's only for Italy. It's a CPA, so it's a double opt-in. It's only for phones, no aggressive or hardcore advertising. So if you see the allowed traffic, push notification is allowed. You can see the screenshot, you can see the banners, opportunities, and targeting. So if you're satisfied with this particular offer, you can actually hit apply now, and you can go ahead and apply for this offer. To do this, it's pretty simple. All you got to do is just hit the traffic source that you're going to use, the traffic method that you're going to use to promote this offer. For example, if you're using push, if you're using Facebook, then Facebook. If you're using Google, then Google. If you're using adult, then adult. If you're using pop, then pop. So depending on what type of traffic you are, you can click there, and over here you can actually go ahead and put your landing page over here. And for beginner affiliate marketers, I would highly recommend you to go ahead and put your landing page over here, because when you are sending this application, you're sending it to a affiliate manager. This affiliate manager might be working with a lot of affiliate before, and they do have a lot of experience. They might have been working with super affiliates as well, so they can actually give you a lot of tips to improve your landing page. That's why I will highly recommend you to put a landing page here. So once you have done that, you can hit this button and hit apply, and this application would be sent to the affiliate manager. It will take some time for the affiliate manager to process all these applications, and if everything is good, then he will accept this application and you can go ahead and run this offer. So in case you don't want to wait for the affiliate manager, you can actually go to the live chat over here and tell them, excuse me, I'm actually running this particular offer. I want to run this particular offer 22906. Please approve my application. And since you approach them, it will take a much more little time for them to approve this offer. So if you want to speeden the process of approval, this is how you do it. So basically, this is the way that you can actually do to find the best converting offer to be promoted in MGID using the Mobidia affiliate network to make fast money, guys. That's about it in today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed today's video. On top of that, I really hope that today's video was beneficial for you. That's the most important part. Thanks for watching, everybody. I'll be seeing you in the next one, but before I go,
allow me to introduce the Dice University Forum. Whether you are trying to make your first conversion on ClickBank or scale your campaigns to 6 figures, the Dice University Forum offers you exactly what you need, like high-quality landing page templates, detailed case studies, and exclusive discounts. The forum has no outdated information. All resources inside are from campaigns that are running right now. Do you want to learn from super affiliates? Check the link in the description and sign up today.